Hi everyone, this is G Lessons. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the button below, and the bell notifications for more videos. And I would like to say thank you for supporting me and subscribing and sharing my videos. Now, this time I'm going to discuss lesson 16. But before we get started, please stay tuned for a short recap in lesson 15. Okay, so our discussion today is all about the sounds of oi. The sounds of oi, according to the rule, is represented by a deep hook and a small circle. So this is the sounds of oi. Example, the word toy. As you pronounce the word, you hear the sounds of oi. So therefore, we do have the sounds of letter T and oi here. So in shorthand, if we are going to write that, this is your sounds of T, an upward, short upward straight line, and then followed by a downward deep hook, and continuously write the small circle. That is toy. The sounds of oi. Okay. Next one, we have an example like boy, still oi sound. Alright? So we have the B sounds and oi. So let's have the downward curve occupying one whole of the space, then the sounds of oi, boy. Okay. Next example, we have the sound, we have the word oil. Alright. We hear the sounds of oi, then the sounds of L. So this is the sounds of oi and a forward long curve that is L. Next example, we do have the word join. Okay, join. Alright, this is your J, which is a downward straight line occupying one whole of the space, and then the oi sounds and a short forward straight line. That is join. Alright. Next, it's time for you to read again. Can you read these symbols? Okay. We have this symbol occupying one whole of the space, and then the sounds of oi, and then a long forward curve. That is very good. It is boil. Okay. Next word, we do have the left S and at 2/3 of the space for a downward symbol, and then the sound of oi and a long forward curve. So what's that? Very good. It is spoil. Okay. Another, we do have the sounds of a big circle, the stroke in the a short forward straight line, and the sounds of oi. There you go. So what is the word now? Very good. It is annoy. Okay. Next, let's proceed. We do have the downward curve and then an oi sounds and a blending symbol. What is that? Very good. The word is point. Alright, next example. We have a big circle here and a downward curve occupying one half of the space or two-thirds. Then the sounds of oi and ND blend or NT blend. What is the word? Very good. That is a point. Very good. So those are the sounds of oi. It is represented by a downward deep hook and a small circle. Okay, so our discussion is all about the rule in men. The sounds of men is represented by joining M and N into one long forward stroke. Alright, so let's write men. According to the rule, we have to join the M and N, forming a forward straight line that is longer. So let's have an illustration so that you will see the difference. The word, for instance, is knee, which is represented by N, N, and E. Alright? Because K here is not pronounced. Next, the word is me. We have a straightforward line followed by a small circle. Now, for the word many, there, let's follow the rule. We have to combine M and N, then add E, because Y here is pronounced as E. Okay. So regardless, whatever is the vowel in between M and N, we have to follow the same rule. Okay. Next example. Okay. We have the word men there. So meaning to say, it is represented by a long forward straight line. That is men. Okay. Next, let's have one more example. Okay. The word is mint. Okay. Or meant. The word is meant. And this is the symbol. A long forward curve. And then we do have the T sounds. Alright. Next. Alright, so I'll give you an example. Like the word man. Okay. Since this is M and N, okay, we have to follow the rule. We have to join M and N there. That is the symbol for the word men. Alright. Next word. The word is mental. Alright. So it is represented by a long straight forward line, then the sounds of T and the long forward curve. This is now mental. We have to apply the omission of minor vowel. Alright. It's time for you to read again. Can you read this one? Okay. Alright, that is an upward deep hook, then a small circle, in a long forward straight line. What is the word? Very good. That is women. Okay. Next word. What about this? It is a left S, a big circle, and a long forward curve followed by another left S and a long straight line. What is the word? Very good. It is salesman. Alright, next word. What about this one? It is a long forward straight line and followed by an upward straight line occupying one whole of the space. That's right. It's mended. Very good. Next, another example. We do have a long forward straight line, then a short downward straight line, and an upward straight line occupying 2/3 of the space. The word now is mentioned. Very good. Alright. Those are examples of men. Okay. For the rule in man, mon, mean also applies the same rule in the men. We have to join the M and N. Alright. Now, let's have an example. The word is minute. Alright. Okay. So we have to use a long straightforward line and a small circle, then an upward straight line. The word is minute. Okay. What about this one? This is the word. The word is month. If you know the answer, just try it. Join me in writing. We have here the rule, min, mon. We have to use the same symbol. Okay. Then we have here over if. Alright. So just add over if. That is month. Alright. Now read. What about this one? Straightforward line and followed by a forward curve. What is the word now? Very good. It is manner. Okay, what about this one? It is a straightforward line, then a downward symbol occupying one whole of the space. The word is manage. Okay. Next example. What about this? Okay. And then a small vowel, E. The word is money. It could be many. It can also be read as money. Okay. Next one. What about this? Okay, a straightforward line and then small circle followed by an M, yes, and a deep hook along the side, then another M. So what is the word? Very good. That is minimum. Alright. Last example. What about this one? Alright. Straightforward. Long straightforward line and then a downward symbol occupying one whole of the space, then a small circle followed by a forward curve. That is now manager. Very good. So let's proceed to the next principle. According to the rule, ye or ye is represented by an e circle, while ya is represented by a large circle that is ya. It is a large circle. Okay, let's have an example for ye or ye, like year. Okay, another one is yellow. Okay, the other one is yet. Okay, so we have three words here. It says that we have to use a small circle. So, we have E sounds small circle followed by an R that is a forward, short forward curve. Okay, this one is your year. Okay, this one, yellow is a small circle for a year, and then an L, then O. W is omitted because it's not pronounced. Another one, yet. So we do have E and T. Okay. Now, year, if this is being used in a sentence, you have to analyze the thought, the context. It's either the word can be read as or read as uh, year or were, which is a brief form. This one, also analyze it, how it is being used. It can be read as yet or it. Alright. So next, you have to read and try it. What about this one? A small circle and then a comma S. So what is the word? Yes. Very good. Exactly. That is yes. Okay. Another one. What about this? A small circle, of course, and then a long forward curve, then an upward turn at the finish. What is the word? Very good. It is yield. Okay. For the ya, like yard, okay, or yarn. The sounds of ya, okay. It says we have to use a large circle, and this is your large circle. Then an R is a short forward curve. RD combination there. That is yard. And we have the yarn, a big circle, and then an R forward curve, then a short forward straight line. So that is your word yarn. Okay. So those are your principles in yeah and yeah. Okay, that ends lesson 16. So I hope you have learned a lot from this lesson. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the bell notifications for more updates. See you again and thank you for watching.